Well, if a new career is part of your goal for 2020 and you have a passion for the beauty industry, then you may want to listen up. Louis Silverman, he is the CEO of National Laser Institute and is here to tell us how you can train to become part of a multi-billion with the beads, Louis, dollar industry.
16 billion.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
This industry has grown exponentially in just the last few years, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's crazy. When I got in this business 15 years ago, there was one medical spa in the United States, and it was here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Now, 15 years later, there's over 5,300 medical spas open for business. $16 billion was spent last year at med spas, doctors' offices, Lifetime Fitness, and it used to just be plastic surgeons and derms offices. Now it's your family practice doctor, your OB/GYN. So Botox and fillers and laser hair removal and facial sculpt, it's everywhere, Terry. It's crazy. It's on fire.
Yeah, it is, because it is a $16 billion industry, which blows my mind. So tell us about the National Laser Institute. What do you do there?
Sure. So we pioneered the marketplace for training in medical aesthetics. What does that mean? It means for people that want to be a cosmetic laser tech or maybe a nurse cosmetic injector, what does that mean? A cosmetic laser tech does procedures like laser hair removal for permanent hair reduction, photofacial skin rejuvenation from age spots and sun damage, tattoo removal to make old tattoos go away, cool sculpting to freeze the fat, all these procedures you see in med spas and doctor's offices. So a laser tech is somebody that works at a med spa, a doc's office, a gym, performing these procedures. They don't have to be a doctor or a nurse or an esthetician. They can be, but it also could be a stay-at-home mom. It could be you. It could be somebody who works at a nurse home. Then there's a cosmetic nurse that's doing, maybe they're doing the hospital shift and they're burnt out and they want to do something fun and exciting and rewarding, because this isn't just about beauty, Terry. We think of it as a beauty industry, but this is about building confidence and building self-esteem. So these nurse injectors, they're doing Botox and fillers and making you look youthful and giving back your confidence. So it's crazy. So we train the world of physicians, nurses, estheticians, and complete career changers so they can jump into the working world. And get this, you can become a cosmetic laser tech, Terry, not after a 2-year program, not after 1 year, after a 2-week program, you can become a cosmetic laser tech working in the field, or after a 1-weekend course for a nurse, they can become a cosmetic injector doing Botox. So it's amazing.
So it doesn't matter whether or not you have experience, is what I'm hearing, right?
Yeah, well, one criteria. If you want to do Botox fillers injections, you have to be a medical professional nurse. But if you want to do cosmetic lasers as a laser tech, you just need a passion for health and beauty, right? And you know, it's fun.
So tell me about the event that's happening tonight.
Yeah, so tonight is the happy hour of all happy hours. Everybody's invited. It's called the Skin Scene. It's unlimited food, catered food, unlimited wine. We're giving away $10,000 of training scholarships, Botox fillers, laser treatments, prizes. Come check out live procedures, win some prizes.
So this is your chance to really learn more,
Yeah,
right?
learn about the industry, have a good time, girls' night out at National Laser Institute in Scottsdale.
All right, and I know that you want everybody to RSVP, so you know how many people are coming. I'm going to give you that number again in just a second, but I want to talk about the special offer that you brought along, because you do have students there who are training, who are learning how to do these procedures. Tell me about the special offer you have. It's called a PDO butt lift.
Okay, so the talk of the town. What does that mean, a butt lift? Well, everybody's, Kim Kardashian, everybody's talking about, well, how can I get that look on the rear end, that tush, that lift without doing the surgery? Well, there's a way to take something called threads. They're like stitches. You get in a car accident or something, you get little stitches.
Yeah.
We put stitches in your tush and we lift your tush without surgery, where typically a procedure like this would be thousands and thousands of dollars. And on the screen in front of you, Terry, it's going to show you how inexpensive it's going to be with this offer.
I know you're waiting. You're wondering, what is this going to cost me? Let me just tell you, Louis, thank you very much. First of all, enhance your assets. Right? Receive a non-surgical PDO butt lift for $499. Now, limited availability at this rate, okay? So you have to call and reserve your spot, 800-914-4504. National Laser Institute's located at 16601 North 90th Street in Scottsdale. Here's that number call to RSVP also for tonight, or to learn more, 800-914-4504, or visit the website, nationallaserinstitute.com.